Galing tayo sa sentro ng Claveria Misamis Oriental. At itong direction na to, papunta ito sa Hinguog City. Dito sa junction ng Aposkahoy, Claveria Misamis Oriental, ay may palikong daan dito. At ito po yung daan na ating papasadahan ngayong araw. Mag left turn po tayo dito guys. Yan guys oh, Balingasag Road. So ngayong araw ay papasadahan natin itong alternative road na ito na nagkukonekta mula dito sa Aposkahoy, Claveria Misamis Oriental papunta doon sa Balingasag Misamis Oriental. So magandang alternative road to guys sa mga biyaheros na babiyahe mula dito sa Claveria Misamis Oriental, Hinguog and Butuan City. Dahil hindi nyo na kailangang umikot pa doon sa matraffic na Butuan, Cagayan, Iligan Road. So kita nyo naman, konkreto po itong kalsada na ito. Tingnan na natin doon sa unahan kung mayroon pang mga portion na rough road. So sa video na to ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang status ng daan. Kung safe ba itong gamitin sa lahat ng uri ng sasakyan. At ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang mga magagandang tanawin na ating madadaanan.
It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away.
Tingnan nyo naman ang view dito guys. Napakagandang mga landscaping ng kabundukan. Wow! So napakalaking tulong ito sa ating mga residente na naninirahan dito. Dahil hindi na sila mahirapan magbiyahe at mag-transport sa kanilang mga agricultural products papunta doon sa kanilang mga buyers. Don Gregorio Pilaes Elementary School. Dito na pala tayo sa Gregorio Pilaes of Claveria Misamis Oriental. Konkreto na dito guys.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you. Every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love, there's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine, I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love, I fall in love.
Dati rough road pa to, ngayon konkreto na. Nakakagandang balita yan guys. Ibig sabihin mahaba na tong konkretong bahagi ng kalsada sa ruta na ito.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much.
So recap lang po ng ating biyahe ngayong araw ay mula doon sa Aposkahoy o Claveria Misamis Oriental hanggang dito sa Butuan, Cagayan, Iligan Road, Balingasag Misamis Oriental ay konkreto na po yung kalsada dyan guys. Mayroon lang mga kunting portion na putol-putol na rough road, pero napakaliit na portion lang po yun guys. At mayroon ding portion na may lumang kalsada na nasira na, at maliit na portion din po yun. Sa kabuuan guys ay napakaganda po itong alternative road na ito para sa ating mga biyaheros na bumabiyahe mula at papunta dito sa mga municipality of Claveria Misamis Oriental and Balingasag Misamis Oriental. Approaching tayo dito sa Butuan, Cagayan, Iligan Road, Balingasag Misamis Oriental. So kung mag left turn ka dyan guys, papunta yan sa Cagayan de Oro City. So right turn lang tayo dito at papunta tayo doon sa sentro ng Balingasag Misamis Oriental. Nakita nyo na po ang status ng daan mula doon sa Aposkahoy, Claveria Misamis Oriental hanggang dito sa Balingasag Misamis Oriental. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to ay huwag kalimutang mag-like, comment and share para mas marami pang makapanood sa video na ito. At huwag din kalimutang mag-follow and subscribe sa ating Facebook page at YouTube channel para updated ka sa lahat ng videos uploads ko. Hanggang sa muli, daghang salamat po!